Hello, we're going to change drive belts on Infiniti I35 2002. So these two belts over here, this first one goes from air conditioner alternator, and second one it goes to the steering wheel, power steering. First, what we need to do, we need to remove the pulley, and remove this first belt. So what we need to do, we need to lose the first belt using this 12mm over here, 12mm bolt, and so we need to lose this locking bolt what located on the pulley right here. So using 40mm socket to lose the belt. So we're losing first belt. This is our first belt, which drives alternator and air conditioning, so we can inspect it and see all these cracks. So it's pretty worn out. It's time to replace it, definitely. Going to during this belt during this changing, we're going to replace the tension pulley. So this is old one. I don't know how long it was running. It's pretty worn out, so we just in case we are going to install. I believe it's more than definitely it's more than 100,000 miles. It's maybe 200,000, and so I'm going to replace to put new one. Да, жарко, давай. Okay, so we need 12mm wrench to unscrew this locking nut over here, and then we need to loose up the pulley using 12mm, the same that bolt over here. Okay, so I'm using the locking nut. So now we need to now we need to 12mm using 12mm socket, we losing tension pulley, and so we're turning clockwise. So now we are removing the power steering belt. Okay. So we're putting the new one in place. So we installed the first one. So now we're gonna install second one. So we're installing the belt which drives alternator and air conditioner from the top, because we need to put on the alternator pulley. Okay, successful. So we installed both belts, the power steering belt and then alternator and air conditioner belt. Now we need to tighten, tension the belts. The same, so backward operation.
Yeah.
Using 14mm 14mm socket to tighten the power steering belt counterclockwise. We need to turn counterclockwise to tighten power steering. Okay. So now we need to tighten this bolt over here counterclockwise. We tighten power steering belt, and now we need to tighten the lock nut, lock bolt locking. So we're locking the tension bolt for drive belt for power steering. Вот. So we're tightening the belt, the pulley, tension pulley for the alternator and power and air conditioner belt. So we tensioned this belt, so it's placed around 7mm. Now we need to lock on the tension pulley, the bolt on the tension, the nut. So we started the engine, and as we saw, no squeaking, everything working well, so we can put splasher and put the wheel back. Splasher.
One.
And we're finishing the splasher with second bolts underneath. Что там?
Ну, ты зачем его снимаешь? Ну, так ладно. А вон, например, все колесо сами. Все, я можно заканчивать уже, нечего еще. Ты застесняй.
Thank you for watching, share this video and subscribe and like.